Welcome back to the second episode on the study of magnetic field, which is case 2. So we have done an introduction to magnetic field in the previous class. So link to that class in the video description. So let's move on to this class. For the case 2, we said for case 1 is being done, right? So for case 2, case 2 focuses more on magnetic force on an electric charge placed in a magnetic field. So note, note, the force on a moving electrical charge in a magnetic field is given by the formula. The force on a moving electrical charge in a magnetic field is given by the formula F equals QVB sine theta if you want to. Alright, this is the formula. When you are mixing the idea of current, charge, right? What comes to mind there? Case 2 comes to mind, right? You are in charge, right? Yeah. So when you're in charge, it means you are having the idea of magnetic force on an electric charge placed in a magnetic field, right? So I'm saying that the formula for this concept here is F equal to what there? QVB sine theta. So in vector form, this stuff is written as F is equal to what there? V cross B. How if you want to, optional, if you want to, sine theta could be added if you want to, right? So when do you apply sine theta? Is when in the given question you are given angle, then you bring in sine theta. If you're not given angle, you can erase it and it's still much more correct, right? It's still much more correct this way. You can put in sine theta if you want to, or you ignore it. But in solving problems, it is applied whenever you have angle mentioned in the statement of the questions, right? This is the basic concept behind the case 2 here. Let's define term, please. Let's define term where F is equal to, what do you call F? F is called force on moving electric charge, of course in Newton. Next up there, Q is called the charge of an electron. It has a constant value which is minus 1.6 times the power there, minus 19 if I'm correct, 19 Coulomb. That's the value, constant value is constant. V is called the velocity of moving electron or moving charge. Moving charge in bracket meter per second velocity. Next up we have B. B is there, is called magnetic field. Of course, that's Tesla. You know that before now. Tesla, that's capital T. We also have theta, the angle of direction. The angle of direction of velocity and magnetic field. Alright, magnetic field. Alright, this is like the basic concept behind the case 2 under the study of magnetic field. At this junction here, let's look at something called Okay. All right, welcome back. At this section here, let's look at something called Lorentz force. All right. One last thing before we start solving past questions, let's look at something called Lorentz force. What's Lorentz force? Something called Lorentz force. All right. Come in. Let's look at the concept of Lorentz force. All right. Let's look at the concept of Lorentz force. All right. Let's look at Lorentz force. Definition. It says when a charged particle moves in a region of space where both electric and magnetic field are present, both fields will exert on a particle a total force called Lorentz force. So by layman explanation, Lorentz force is simply a force that is got by combining two forces together. Which and which there? By combining what the electric and magnetic field forces together, right? So I can say, so let's call Lorentz force, let's call it FL for Lorentz force. So we're saying Lorentz force is what? The combination of two forces, which are with there, which and which for electric force and of course your magnetic force. So combine this together, these two give you what we call a Lorentz force. But don't forget please, but from here, but don't forget that we said that E electric field intensity is equal to what there? F um F over Q, right? But F here is a, these are force Fe, electric force, right? Because electric field intensity, so electric and electric force go together. So I'm saying that E is equal to what the Fe over Q. Make Fe subject. I have that Fe equal to what the EQ. All right, EQ. Call this one equation one. I'll call this equation one. From here, also don't forget that FM is equal to what there? QVB, right? Call this one equation 2, right? Because FM is simply the force and magnetic field. That's QVB, right? So I'll combine two, I'll add up. So FE will be replaced here, F will be replaced here. So I have that the Lorentz force FL will be equal to what there? FE plus FM. What's FE? FE, you said FE is what? EQ. That gives you EQ plus FM is QVB. Alright. At this junction, I'm seeing Q and Q. Q and Q is common. So it means that Lorentz force FL will be equal to what there? Q into E plus VB. I factorize, I can see Q and Q. Bring it out. More like say factorize out Q. I have this expression here. So this is my formula for Lorentz force. But let me put this formula in vector form. So in vector form, this formula is given by FL Lorentz force is equal to Q, right, into E right? Plus E plus into V cross B. Alright, this is the vectorial form of Lorentz force, as you can see on the board. Alright, this is basically all the concept behind magnetic field. In this class, we'll look at several past questions involved in the study of magnetic field. See you guys in the next class. We'll look at several questions involved in magnetic field. One of my mission is to teach people globally, help students globally, right? So to achieve this goal, I can't do it alone. I need the support financially, physically, and whatever way you can assist. Also, from your part, do well to like this video, leave a comment to this video, share this video to your friends and classmates so they can learn too, and also do well to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon so you can get notified. Also, I have two WhatsApp groups. I have WhatsApp channel and I have WhatsApp group. The link for the two groups in this video description. So check this video description. You see a link to these two.
Before we continue this lesson, I want to share something that will make your learning experience even better. I now have exclusive channel memberships designed to help you learn faster, get direct support, and access premium content you won't find in my regular videos. The first level is the support membership. If you enjoy my lessons and want to support the channel while getting special perks, this is for you. It's a simple way to show appreciation and help me continue creating high-quality educational content. The second level is the WAC and JAM classes membership. If you're preparing for WAC or JAM, this membership gives you structured lessons, practice questions, exam strategies, and step-by-step guidance to boost your performance. The third level is the 100 level students membership. This is perfect for secondary school students who want organized, easy-to-understand lessons in physics, chemistry, mathematics, and other subjects. And finally, we have the YouTube Mastery membership. If you want to learn how to grow on YouTube, how to create content, edit videos, design thumbnails, and monetize your channel, this membership will guide you from beginner to creator. Whatever stage you are in, there's a membership designed to help you learn smarter, improve faster, and stay ahead. To join, simply click the membership link in the video description. Choose the level that matches your goals and start enjoying all the exclusive benefits. Before we continue with this lesson, I'm excited to announce that I just launched my official website, a complete learning platform designed to help you study smarter, learn faster, and access high-quality educational resources anytime you need them. On the website, you'll find several well-structured courses created to guide you step by step through the most important topics. First, we have Organic Chemistry for Beginners, a simple, beginner-friendly course that breaks down organic chemistry into easy explanations anyone can understand. Next, there are WAC and JAM classes, specially designed to help you pass your exams with confidence using clear lessons, solve questions, and exam strategies. We also have the physics tutorial for Year 1 students, covering foundational concepts you must master in your first year of higher education. And for anyone who wants to grow online, there is a complete course on how to start, grow, and earn on YouTube using only your smartphone. This course gives you everything you need to begin your YouTube journey without expensive equipment. There is also a book section on the website where you can get all my educational books, including the shortcut to academic success. My website is now your one-stop platform for science tutorials, exam preparation, YouTube training, and learning resources that can transform your academic and digital journey. To explore all the courses and get your copy of the books, simply click the website link in the video description. Hold on, before you continue this lesson, I need to tell you something important. If you've been struggling with studying, losing motivation, or you feel like you're working hard, but your results aren't showing, this is for you. I recently released a powerful book titled The Shortcut to Academic Success. It is a simple, practical guide that shows you exactly how to study smarter, stay focused, remember more, and achieve outstanding results without stress. This book is not theory. It's a step-by-step roadmap I created after years of teaching students and understanding what truly works. Inside, you'll discover proven study techniques, exam strategies, productivity hacks, memory boosters, and secrets top students use every day. Whether you are in secondary school, university, or preparing for any exam, this book will transform the way you learn and help you reach your academic goals faster. And the best part? It costs only 2,000 Nigerian nairas, less than the price of a snack, but the value inside can change your entire academic journey. If you truly want to upgrade your grades and finally take control of your learning, don't wait. Get your copy of the shortcut to academic success today. Your future self will thank you. Before we continue, let me quickly share something that can change your entire online journey. I just launched a complete YouTube mastery course, a step-by-step training designed to help beginners start and grow a successful YouTube channel using only their smartphone. In this course, I break everything down in simple, practical lessons. No expensive camera, no studio, no complicated equipment, just your phone and the right knowledge. You will learn how to create quality videos, design engaging thumbnails, write perfect titles, choose the right niche, understand the YouTube algorithm, and grow your channel from zero, even if you've never created a video before. If you want to become an online teacher like me, this course will guide you on how to teach online record lessons, explain concepts clearly, and attract the right audience. And if you want to create content in any other field, lifestyle, motivation, entertainment, business, this course will still show you the exact steps to succeed. All the lessons are pre-recorded, well-organized, and easy to follow. You can watch them at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. So, if you've been dreaming of starting a YouTube channel but didn't know how to begin, this is your opportunity. This course will take you from beginner to confident creator. The link to get the YouTube Mastery course is right there in the video description. Click it and start your YouTube journey today.